Welcome to Admin Setup Client Notifications. In this section, I will explain how to set up an event notification based on the end date. So begin by selecting the Admin tab, Event Statuses, going to change the business type to Bookkeeping. Then I'm going to look at Monthly Payroll and click on this icon here for Client Notifications, and scroll down to the one that says Event Notification on End Date. So this one here, Event Notification on End Date. This notification will be triggered to go out as an email or text or both when an event has been given an end date, either manually by giving it the end date or by it being moved to the next event status. So the first thing you'll need to do is select Enable Notification, and then enter in your subject for your message. So we'll say payroll is complete. So this is set up to go with our monthly payroll clients. And then we'll enter the message. If you type the word client in the curly brackets, then the message will be customized with the client's name when it actually goes out. So we'll put client there. So this will let them know that their monthly payroll has been completed. And then same thing, you can type in a text message, and again, you want to make sure you're keeping that text message short. So we'll just say payroll is complete. And then if you would like to put in a Spanish message, email message, or text message, you can do that. So once you've entered your message, so you've got your subject, you've enabled it, you've typed in your messages, you want to make sure you scroll back up to the top and click Save. Okay, so now that our message has been saved, I'll show you how it's triggered to actually send this message out. So I'll begin by searching for a client. And I will go to her payroll because that's what we're working on. So we set that message up under monthly payroll. So we're going to create a monthly payroll event. So we've created it and saved it. So now there are two ways that will trigger this message. So if we move it from here out of monthly payroll and move it to another status or move it to complete, it will send the message. So we'll select complete here and we'll save it. So what that's done is it's closed out this monthly payroll event, and you can see over here that triggered notifications. We have an email address and text information on for this client, so she received both messages. We can click here and we can actually see the messages that have been sent. So you can see that it went to an email, it went to a cell phone, and these are the messages that were sent. So that's where that shows. The other way, so what that also did is it opened up the next reoccurring monthly payroll event. The other way that you can trigger that is by manually closing the event. So if we edit it and give it the end date and close it, so now that it's been given the end date, it will trigger that notification for that client too. So those are the two different ways to trigger that notification that will go out based on the end date. The other thing that I just wanted to show you is if you want to disable that message, that notification, and stop it from going out, then we'll go back into the event status, bookkeeping, go to that message for monthly payroll, and the only thing that you would need to do is uncheck this box for enabled notification and then save it, and that would stop that notification from going out. So that's all I have for the admin setup, client notifications, event notification on end date. Thank you.